What's up, guys? Welcome to Player 2 Gaming and another super quick tutorial on OBS Studio. Before I begin, guys, I'm trying really hard to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So if you're enjoying the content on the page, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up on the video, and a comment down below. So I did a video not too long ago on how to create a playlist in OBS Studio, but one of the top comments I get almost every single day is, hey, I can't hear the song. This is a super quick fix, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. So to add a song, just go under sources, hit the plus button, and add media source. I'm just gonna add a song I already have in here. This guy right here. Now you guys are gonna be able to hear it right now, but I'm not. And the fix is super simple. Just come under here, under your audio mixer, right click the media source, hit advanced audio properties. This screen's gonna pop up, advanced audio properties. You're gonna find your song here, SS interview song. Scroll over to the right here, you're going to see right here, audio monitoring. When you click it, it's gonna give you three options. Monitor is what you hear in your ear, and output is what you, the listener, is gonna hear. So right now it's on monitor off, which means you, the listener, can hear it, but I cannot hear it. Monitor only means only I can hear it and you can't hear it. And monitor and output means both. You're going to be able to hear it as the viewer, and I'm going to be able to monitor as the streamer. And that is all there is to it. Super simple. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and a comment down below. If there is any other questions you have or videos you want to see, as well, you can catch me live on Twitch Tuesdays to Thursdays and Facebook Gaming Fridays to Saturdays. Those links are down below. Cheers.